Hey guys, hope you're doing well, and today we're gonna be doing another vlog. Alrighty, thank you for tuning into the video. And from the last video I did, first things first, the kittens. I know how I mentioned how I said they died the first batch that the cat had, and that I was like, okay, it'd be better to save the new batch, right? Oh wow, it's really windy. Sorry if it sounds crappy. But anyways, since I work a lot, pretty much lately, I haven't been really able to take care of them. Like, basically my grandparents were taking care of them, and I go to work probably like 2 days later. I come back and my grandma's like, guess what? I'm like, what? And then she's like, oh, they're dead. I'm like, they're dead? The kittens? She's like, yeah. And I'm like, oh, wow. What, did she murder them again? Because last time I believe the cat murdered her children. And because the first time, like, I had all of them, I gathered all of them because she spread them out of the yard. I mean, all out in the yard. I don't know why she did that. I think it was like 4 or 5 kittens, and then so me and my little sister, we collected them and put them in the back, and yeah, they just disappeared like one by one. And then the last one that was there, it was like crushed, like she laid on it, I guess. Apparently, so now I guess it's the same situation. They were all just dead, my grandma said, and except for one, the one that was in the box. Remember how I said, oh, got favoritism or something? So I guess she did have favoritism. At least I thought that until a couple, like 2 days later, after the other ones had died. My grandma said that now that one was dead, and it seemed like maybe she crushed it by laying on it. And I was like, oh, just like last time. She just lays on them and crushes them, or doesn't realize she's suffocating them, or I don't know what's going on with that. Don't know if it was intentionally, or if she's just dumb, or if she meant to murder them. So yeah, evil ass cat. As for the black kitten, I still haven't caught it. It's right here, being cute. But planning to do that. It's just I'm paranoid about bringing it into the house yet, like just right now, because one, it's an outdoor cat, and two, it's probably most likely got fleas, and three would be I need to get it clean, and I'm already terrified of just washing a regular like house cat, but washing a cat from the outside, oh my god, I don't even know how that's gonna be. So I'm gonna look up and see what I can do about that. I'd rather just catch it, take it somewhere to get clean, and then bring it into the room. But yeah, there it is, eating with all these other stray cats. It's so cute. Yo, why is that one licking its ass? But anyways, I will catch it. I will. As for right now, I'm just gonna feed them some treats, and I have Walking Dead and a Mass Effect unboxing thing. I'm gonna open those up. I haven't opened it yet. I never had gotten a box from the Walking Dead, the supply drop box, but once I saw the Aaron Funko Pop I've always wanted, I was like, okay, I'm gonna buy the box. So I'll be getting to that in a moment, and then yeah, so I guess I failed at my job at keeping the kittens alive, but I'm gonna be home 24/7, so it was on my grandparents to do that. But things happen out of your control, I guess, and especially if the cat is a murderer. Yeah, see, I want to figure out where to take the little kitten to get clean, because, well, you can tell some of these stray cats look sick, which I'm already paranoid I'm gonna get scratched, but whatever, I'll spoil them. I want you. Let me love you. Alright, so now I'm in my room, and I have the 2 boxes here. We got the Walking Dead supply drop box here. Came like this. Basically, it looks like Lucille, the baseball bat from Negan with the barbed wire against the wood. And we got this box, which I know it's the Mass Effect puzzles that I pre-ordered. And yeah, let's get into that. I'll start with the puzzles. see what the box looks like for those. Make sure I don't cut the box. And let's see. And I got this from the Bioware store, the company that makes the video games, the RPGs. They also make Dragon Age, that game Anthem I never played. Oh look, they sent me a little note. Thanks, Shauna. I think that's how I say it right. Well, thanks to you, Shauna. Yeah. So the ones I ordered were the Heroes puzzle and the Outcast puzzle. I didn't get the third puzzle yet, because when they were releasing them, they didn't have them, all three of them, available at the same time. They released one. They spread them out basically, like over a few weeks or months. I don't know how it was, but I managed to pre-order the first one and the second one. So the first one for the first game, second one for the second game. And oh, the boxes are pretty big. Ooh, so here's the Heroes one. This is from the first one. So from what I read, it's supposed to be the male Commander Shepherd. And ooh, I'm happy that they put Kitten. I don't have a problem with Ashley, but Kitten is my, let's just say, fantasy. I know, I'm a creep. Anyways, next one, we got the Outcast puzzle for Mass Effect 2. Out of all three of the Mass Effect like games, the main trilogy, not counting Andromeda. God, I can't talk. Mass Effect 2 is definitely my favorite one. It's the first one I played, but to me it's the most funnest one. So here we got here. I love how it looks. Oh my god, ooh. This is some good plastic. But anyways, we got Miranda and Thane, Jacob, we got Grunts, Zaid, Jack, Legion, ooh. And we got the Normandy down there. But yeah, both of the puzzles here are 1,000 pieces. So my plan for these, I mean, because I collect puzzles, which one day I'll do them all. But once I have my own place, I'm going to build these. And I'm going to basically mount them to frame them. I want to have them hung up in my house. So I have to get the third puzzle still. And I think that one includes the female shepherd on it. It's cool. Female shepherd go too. And yeah, so that's from the Bioware store. Ooh, it's pretty heavy. And yeah, and moving on to the Walking Dead supply drop box. So what I did, I bought it so I can get the Aaron Funko Pop exclusive. And I don't know what else is in here. It asked for my size and like shirts, so I'm guessing maybe a shirt is in here. So I gave them that information, and then I canceled the subscription after that because I think it's like 60 bucks. I think every couple months or something like that. But I'll just buy it when you have some interest in there. So I guess we'll open it up and see what it includes. I also did, a couple weeks after I bought this, they released a new line for the Walking Dead Funko Pops, like for the newest season, like this, so it would, God, I can't talk. God, I have a problem. Anyways, so the new ones, the new line, it has Maggie for her return. She has the bow and arrow. We have Carol holding a bow, and then we have Daryl with Dog. The dog's name in the show is Dog. If you're caught up, otherwise I don't want to spoil nothing. And then we have another Negan Funko Pop with how he is now. He doesn't have Lucille or anything. But yeah, I already have the clean shaved Negan, but I want a facial hair Negan. I can't get enough of Negan, right? But anyways, let's open this up. I'll shut up so we can see what's inside. Okay, let's see. I'm surprised it came like this. I would think it'd come in like a box and have this inside the box, but yeah. Oh, okay. So we got this. Walking Dead. Oh, It includes, I think this is showing me what is in it. So we got the Aaron Funko Pop. Looks like a Negan shirt. A Lucille hat. Ooh, that's interesting. And then we have, oh, a Daryl Dixon throw pillow. Weathered Wings edition. So there's a throw pillow in here. We'll see. But if that's correct, it's wings from the backside of Daryl's jacket. And then we have Princess Jacket can cooler. Oh, so if you're not caught up, I never read the comics, but the character Princess, I know she's from the comics, but she wears like this like fuzzy pink, I don't know what those things are called, but it's like a little jacket. But it looks like it comes with that. It's a can cooler. Interesting. All right. I'm gonna open it now. So I guess starting with the shirt. All right. So I did predict, right? They wanted my size with the shirt. Yes. Yes. I love it. I'm a weirdo. All right. I'm gonna have to wash it though before I wear it. Next, we got the Lucille hats. Ooh, I didn't even notice in the picture. It has Lucille right there, the bat. You can see. Oh, let me fix that. Besides the name Lucille, it also has the bat right there, if you can see it. And it's red and black. Ooh. Maybe I should wear this to the convention. We'll see. Then we have... here's the box. Uh-oh. It looks a little crushed, but I think he'll be alright. The Aaron Funko Pop. Oh, he's a little crushed. At least it's not that bad. Yeah, I'll just tape the top or something to keep it from opening. But yeah, I guess if you ordered it, you gotta hope it doesn't get damaged. It's not too bad though. But yeah, here he is. Aaron. And on the back, these are the other Funko Pops I don't have. Oh, sorry for the reflection from the ring light. He's so cool. Now I want one from his earlier days in the season before he had the beard and all that. I will definitely get that one too. And next we got the Princess Can Cooler. Okay. Ooh, it's nice and fuzzy. Look at it. It's so soft. And let's see. All right, I grabbed a Sprite can. So let's see. Shove it in there. And yeah, it's so cool. It's just a patch of fuzz. And then this looks like her outfit. It's cool. I like it. And last but not least, we got, it says the pillow. I guess the plastic just makes it feel like it's plastic. I wonder if it's like, looks like one of those bags, right? The ones that suck all the air out. So I wonder if it's gonna like poof open, like poof open. Like yeah, as soon as I open it and it gets air. Let's see. Cut a little bit. Don't want to cut myself. I have history cutting my fingers. Oh, I can already hear it. You can hear it shifting already. Wow. A bag within a bag. Okay. Gotta work for this, I guess. I wonder how big it is. Did it say how big it was? I don't know. Okay. Oh boy, I don't want to cut myself. Ooh, you can hear it. Okay. Okay. Poof it out a little bit. Okay. So it's like a flat pillow. So I guess it's more like for decoration. It's not really poofy like I thought. But oh well. Yeah, there's the pillow. Alright. Pretty cool. I didn't expect to get a pillow or a hat. Right. Oh. I didn't even show you. I didn't even show what I got earlier today. Since I collect, obviously you can tell behind me, the Funko Pops. I'm not as bad as I used to be. I used to be really bad. But now just here and there I'll buy one. So yeah, here we got Psyduck from Pokemon. Now the only Pokemon that I'm missing is the Mew one. I have all the other ones. Except for the new ones that are going to be coming out. If you don't know already, there's going to be a Horsey one and a Charizard. And a lot of people have speculated that there's going to be like a bigger version of Charizard, so I might just wait to get the bigger one. And then I just happened to find Psyduck at the store when I went to pick up what I went to go pick up, which was this one. We got Ellen Ripley with Power Loader from Aliens. And yeah, I've been wanting to get Alien Pops. I just haven't for some reason. And as soon as I saw this one for a GameStop exclusive, made sure to get one. Plus, I love that scene where she comes out of the elevator and calls the alien queen bitch. But anyways, yeah, so just more stuff to add to my nerdy room. So yeah, I'm going to be stopping the vlog here, and if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and tickle the bell icon so you don't miss any notification for whenever I post a video to my channel. And yeah, I'm done talking now. Stay awesome, guys.